guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been long since uploaded a new video, but now I'll just be doing a random video. So today is Friday and I don't know what I'll be doing. Like, I look very messy, like I don't know, like a wretched bed. So this is me. Hi guys. So what should I say? I just don't know what to do. I have a lot of videos I want to upload. I'm just feeling tired and I'm just feeling tired to edit those videos. I have a whole lot of videos to do. But first of all, maybe I'll be uploading a video very soon. My girlfriend's birthday party, and also about KFC and McDonald's. And what's again? I think I have another video. Yeah, so guys, kindly watch out. I just want you guys to know that I'm still alive, I'm not dead. Yes, if you want to see my room, yeah, of course I can show you my room. It's kind of, it's messy, not kind of messy, it's messy though, but you know, I can show you guys. Yeah, and that's my room. So guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can share, you can, you know, just like, comment, subscribe, anything you want to. I know somebody wanted an aquarium. I don't know what the person was trying to say actually, though, about trying to see if I can make a video of what the person wants. Love you guys, I'm still alive, and today is my, today is my Friday. So yeah, watch out for my next video. Bye guys, have a nice day. Bye bye.